How to update TWRP recovery on the Mi 11X or the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40 without a computer. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update the TWRP recovery on your Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40 without a computer. So I do have the Poco F3, which right now is running a custom ROM based on Android 11. However, the process will remain the same even if you are on stock MIUI. So we do have Vashist's TWRP recovery installed. However, he just released a new build. So how do you update to the new build without using a computer? For starters, you do need to boot into your existing recovery. So turn off your device, and then once the device has turned off, press and hold power and volume up together till you see the recovery logo, or you can also let go of the power button once you feel the vibration. And here it is. I did feel the vibration and let go of the power button, and we have now booted into TWRP. In case you have a password setup, you might have to enter your current password to decrypt the device. So how do you update to the latest build? It is very easy. We can go into advanced, and of course I am assuming you have the file downloaded on your device, and herein you need to say install recovery RAM disk. This is going to open your internal storage. Now all you need to do is select the new recovery image file. In case you have downloaded the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. Me, I have transferred it from my computer, so it is in the internal storage and not within any folder. All I'm going to do is select this file and then say swipe to install. And that's it. We have successfully updated our TWRP recovery, and you can always go into reboot and select recovery. Another pro tip, using the same very trick you can switch between Vashist's and Nebrasi's TWRP recovery for the Poco F3, Mi 11X or Redmi K40 without any issues. And here it is. As you can see, we now have 3.5.2 underscore 11 hyphen 0. I think previously we had 10 hyphen 0, and there it is, peeps. That is how you update your TWRP recovery on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40 without a computer. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.